uminom ka ng coffee pero sleepy pa rin ang energy mo, well, you need a crystal that literally works like coffee. Crystal of the day. And today, we'll talk about yellow calcite. Ang crystal na pampagising ng nawawala mong motivation. Alright, so yellow calcite, physically, isa itong calcium carbonate mineral. Ibig sabihin, it has a softer, medyo slightly chalky composition. Kaya pag hinawakan mo yan, medyo parang malambot siya. So, may soft, translucent yellow glow ito. Ayan, so parang kulay pa lang. Para ka ng, alam mo yun, sunshine, glowy, very, very bright. Sa healing naman, connected ito sa solar plexus, dito, which is, ito yung energy center mo for willpower. Tinatanggal nito yung self-doubt at binubura nito ang overthinking. Alam mo yun, para ka nag-coffee ng bonggang-bongga every morning. So, literal na tinatanggal ang katamaran mo para matapos mo ang to-do list mo. So, ready ka na bang tigilan ang excuses at simulan ang trabaho? Well, check out mo na ang yellow calcite. Dito lang sa Sheffy's Crystals, your source of affordable gemstones and crystals in the Philippines. I'll see you around. Bye!